It's been a year when we launched hashtag Ayoko ng Plastic. And it's a movement. It's for everybody. It's the simplest thing that every Filipino can do to do something for the environment. Just to lower our use of single-use plastics will help. This movement is for everybody. And working with the development and conservation field for the last 20 years, I never have imagined that plastics will become an environmental issue. It's so fast. It's something that's already within us. Sad to say, we are already eating our waste. And this is one basic principle, that we are consuming so much, we are wasting so much, and the waste is so much that it's already affecting our very lives, as shown in the video. So, thank you for being here, because this launch is for Ayoko ng Plastic, and the WWF's program is actually to have no plastics in nature, because everywhere you go, there's plastics. It's not just in the oceans, it's also in our soils, it's also in our rivers, and it's not just the issue of marine debris plastics in the ocean. When plastics was invented by the scientists I think in 1908 or 1910, the intention of inventing the plastic was very noble, very. There was one investment banker in New York that said, "I think we're running out of ivory." And there was this guy, a chemist, who was commissioned, and this finance person, bankroll, why don't you invent something that would have the properties of the ivory, because they said that we're already, killing so much wildlife in the ivory. Can you do a replacement for such? Because before pala, who plays billiard? Billiards. The billiard balls before were made from ivory tusk. So anyway, this guy invented plastic, and it was a eureka moment, because plastics is so cheap, reliable, more than 1 billion uses, But it became so easy and convenient to do that, in the last 20 years, it's something that it's so cheap that we just throw it away for convenience. So this is where we are right now, and this is what this program is all about now, that we have to do something about it. It's not just for us, it's already with us, it's something that we have to manage and take care of. So I'll do a short presentation on this thing. So sort of produce, as of 2016, 396 million tons of plastics. And if we don't do something based on demand, it can go up to by 40% by 2030. And the growth is exponential, because of the uses and the demand for it. WWF's program is no plastics in nature. We are not anti-plastics. We are just looking at single-use plastics. My glasses here is made out of plastic. It's good. Those who came here in their cars, probably 20-30% of components of cars are made out of plastics. These are good things as long as it's not single-use. That's it. So as mentioned, it's basically elimination of all plastics is not unrealistic. Also, cannot totally say take away plastics. Because even in the pharmaceutical and the health industry, can you imagine your pills without plastic lining? That's sort of impossible. With medical science, some polymers are the one that is saving lives for replacement of the valves and the stents in our hearts. So plastic as a material is good, but it's again single use. Next slide. strategy is really looking at working with business. That's why we're in Shakey's, because Shakey's, I think it was not announced that they're now not doing balloons anymore for parties. Tarps will now be made out of fabric, especially for birthday parties. So we'll have a plastic neutral birthday parties at Shakey's. So dito kayo birthday party. Anniversaries, weddings, ano pa? Everything.
Everything. Graduation.
So we work with business, and later Miss Nanette